talking about in Brazil, renewable energy is very important. So we think that the integrating and renewable energy source is crucial. So to have these heat pumps using in conjunction with other systems or technologies. The idea is to make it more cost effective. So we are linking energy demand in a and of course, we are thinking about the innovation collaboration on that for efforts to overcome some challenges, especially for the cost. And as I said, on the training of technical people for implement such solutions.